Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Learn Quran. Today is our fifth lesson and today we're going to talk about Sukoon. So let's start today's lesson. Sukoon means still or rest. It is represented by either high head of Ha or small circle above any letter. The Sukoon symbol represents an absence of the vowel above the letter. The letter without the vowels cannot be recited by themselves, so they are recited with the vowel letter. So let's see some examples. At, it, ud. At, it, ud. Ah, ih, Ah, ih. In this case, we have ba. Ba is one of the equal letters. There are total 5 equal letters in Arabic language: Qaf, Ta, Ba, Jim, and Dal. In this case, we have to pronounce it like ab, ib, ub, ab, ib, ub, aj, ij, uj, aj, ij, uj, ath, if, uth, ath, if, uth, ich, uch, ich, uch, ad, id, ud, ad, id, ud, ad, id, ud, ad, id, ud, ar, ir, ur, ar, ir, ur, az, is, uz, az, is, uz, as, is, us, as, is, us, ash, ish, ush, ash, ish, ush, od, id, ud, ad, id, ud, as, is, us, as, is, us, at, it, ut, at, it, ut, ir, ur, ir, ur, al, il, ul, al, il, ul, al, ir, ul, al, ir, ul, af, if, uf, af, if, uf, aql, iq, uq, aq, iq, uq, im, in, ak, ik, uk, ak, ik, uk, al, il, ul, al, il, ul, an, in, in, I, u, I, u. Thank you for watching the whole video. Our next video will be on Madda letters. Fi amanillah.